Okay, fam, I'm just simply not buying it. I'm just simply not buying it. I mean, this looks okay, and the market is kind of going up, but then just have this feeling that something is not right. So I posted in the community just now as well that I closed all my longs, and I posted yesterday that it would take it day by day, but I feel very bad about this. And I also tweeted, and I said that the more I look, genuinely the worst I actually feel about this whole thing. So, super important, in one of those updates, you do you. Genuinely, not financial advice. Don't come back to me telling me that I told you this, I told you that. Do your own research, all that stuff. I'm just gonna share with you what I'm doing. So, if I look at this daily chart, and I close out the noise, just close out the noise, and I say, everybody's like, oh, this is the bottom, you're gonna miss it, you're an idiot, Fefe is a bear like 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗙, all that shit. I close that out. And I look at this chart. I cannot keep my longs open. I can't. And we were down here like super fucking early. Like super early. We got into the position and I wrote it up and I said that this could be the beginning of the reversal. But no. But probably no. I always tell you that you have to be on the elevator. Always. And even though I want it as well, I like every bit of me wants this bull run to continue and wants this pump to continue and go to all-time highs, but it's just, I just don't see it happening. So on the 4 hour, first of all, market structure, right? I always tell you, follow market structure. Look at this here. This is a very, very strong order block. Probably will come up here, most likely. But even if we don't, that would be okay. Because we did complete the 50% pullback here. So, yeah, I just want to say so many things that I literally just jumped in here and just wanted to tell you this whole thing. So, it's just a lot of things all around. But in general, I just don't trust this whole pump. If you look at this on the 4 hour, this is an elevator. This is an elevator. This is an elevator. This is stairs. This is an elevator. This is stairs. This is stairs. I have to be on the fucking elevator. And the elevator is going down. So the reason why I close all my long positions is because in massive profits, you've been in, you've seen it, you're in the community. If you're not, oh, by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Fefe. I do these daily updates. This is a little bit all around the place because I'm just being completely transparent with you. I have this feeling and I have the chart and I can't go against it. So, but subscribe to the channel and check out the daily updates. I do these updates every single day, sharing with you what I as a trader think. I've been here since 2016, been trading since 2018. So go and do that. But in general, this is what I think. So this is a massive elevator down. And it's not only that this is a supply zone, but this is also supply zone, and this is also supply zone, and this is also supply zone. It just simply doesn't make sense. It simply just doesn't make sense for me. So anyway, I close all my long positions. I do believe that we are going to get a retrace, maybe a little bit like this, and then push, if we're lucky, push all the way up here. And I have to take short positions. I just have to. If I look at it on the daily and I say, obviously this VIX actually mixes things up, but even if I take the VIX, there is a 50% retrace here, and then there is a new break below on the lower time frame. So if you look at it on the 4 hour, this is my market structure. We will see this in a second. I'm not sure if that is actually a market structure. So here I do have the 50% retrace, comes up, comes down, retrace, nuke, okay? So that's complete. Then I bring into the next one. This is the bottom, this is the top, here is the retrace. Then I bring it to the next one. This is the bottom, actually all the way down here. Fuck, it's cooked, bro, it's cooked. The more I look at this, it's cooked. Why? Because if you look at this, this is not the actual market structure. What low, high, this is the market structure. Low, high, low, retrace, but this had no close below. So that is not a strong level. This is not even relevant here. Holy cow. So this is actually the market structure here. And we're rejecting literally from the 50% of this leg. Yeah, anyway, I just look at the chart. I've been here long enough to look at the chart, and I feel that it's not right, and I'm just not taking longs. You know, the worst thing that happens is that we start pumping, and I'm gonna get another continuation, but I can't with good heart actually take longs here, and I would really de-risk if I were you. But again, obviously not financial advice. You do whatever you will do. It's entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. You know, all that stuff. So I think that we if we're lucky, we're gonna push into this. We complete the 50% leg on this leg, and it's continuation down. And I just hope that the continuation comes down to the 3.1 trillion. And once it does, I just hope that we bounce from there and go to the highs and then down. Otherwise, right now, it's looking like there is not gonna be a retrace. So it's pinned on my X. The bull market is over, and in this, I actually made this post and I said that we're potentially going to come all the way back up here to the daily OB. But the market is just looking so cooked and so weak that I don't see any reason for that to happen. So we might not even come all the way up to the 4.17. Now I'm thinking we will take it step by step. But if you look at this, I mean, if we would close above here, 3.7 trillion, I would think, okay, that could be interesting, but that's still not the market structure. So here I would be like, okay, there is potential for us to push, but the actual high is up here at 3.9. That's substantial. That's like 11%. That means about 400-500 billion coming into crypto. I just don't see any catalyst for that. So I know this was a little bit of all-around update, but TLDR is that I think we're going to push into the OB up here at 367. Potentially wick through or whatever, reject from either to this 385 or 369. And if we do, guys, I think like it's just not looking good. I might even sell 50% of my remaining 50% spot bag on Sol and ETH. It's just not looking good. My invalidation is very simple. I'll close above here at 369 first, and then all the way up here at 39 second. If that happens, I would consider that yes, we are completing the pullback. But until then, guys, it's elevator down, it stairs up, and I know I want it as well, and I really wanted to continue, and I really had very great entries for my long positions, and I was at $40,000 in this position, but I have to close it because I think I just look at the chart and I have to ride what it is. So the government shutdown will end probably this week, so that potentially puts a little bit of rally in it, but we'll see. Guys, it's a little bit of a messy update. But let me know if you like this. It's just complete honesty coming here and telling you what it is. I'm going to jump live on 24/7 Crypto today, so go and tune in on that. Join in the community. I will update you as thoughts come. This is very crucial in the market, the crucial point I think we are at in the market. And yeah, we'll just see as it comes. Check out this video. It's going to be, I actually don't know what it's going to be. You have to find out. Check out this. Subscribe here. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.